Is that legal?
Sometimes you need to bend the rules a little in order to keep your country safe.
My belief that when a man becomes a part of this bureau, he must so conduct himself, both officially and unofficially, as to eliminate even the slightest possibility of criticism as to his conduct.